What we're going to do today is the first of two recipes. We're going to make a Korean style grilled ribeye, and then next video we're going to make kimchi potato salad to go alongside with that. So stay tuned. What's shaking, guys? I'm Brad Pros. Welcome to my channel. You're probably here for new ideas about grilling or barbecue. If that's you, please do me a favor, click subscribe below, and let's get into it. Today we are going to make grilled ribeye with Korean flavors. This is not an authentic recipe or marinade by any means. It's just my interpretation on delicious flavors, kind of bringing it together, and then next week we're going to make that side dish to go with this too. So let's get started. I'm going to show you what's going to go in the marinade. All right, so here are the ingredients for the marinade. We're going to start off with some brown sugar, some soy sauce, some green onions that were cut up, some minced garlic, ginger, some sesame seeds, and then this special ingredient, which is the brine of kimchi. Now the kimchi brine is the ingredient that kind of ties it all together. It's this funky, sour, spicy liquid that's left over from making kimchi. And when you buy kimchi, this is actually the brine that's all in the jar. So we're going to use a little bit of this to tie in everything together in the marinade. For all the exact measurements, look in the description below. I've also got the full recipe on my website. Link is below as well. All right, so I mixed all the ingredients in the bag. We got the two ribeyes thrown in here. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. I do recommend a little bit longer time as these are kind of bigger ribeyes. This marinade would be good up to about 2.5 to 3 pounds of meat. So just take that into consideration as you cook. So on to the hard part, waiting. All right, we're back. Unlike most food TV shows, I didn't have 2 extra ribeyes to do a quick switcheroo on you, so I had to wait. I waited about 6 hours and we're good to go now. You can see that there's all the textures of the flavors that we put in there, the onions, the garlic, the ginger, the sesame seeds. The seasoning's definitely penetrated through. I'm really excited, and I'm gonna fire it up on the grill right now. Now, I recommend using any kind of live fire to sear off these steaks hot and fast. I'm gonna use my Pro 1150 from PitBoss right here. It's got the sear plate jacked open. I've got it cranked to high, so let's go. I can't wait to try a piece. I'm just gonna grab one right in the middle. Oh my gosh. It's so tender. It's so pink. It's full of all the flavor, the sweetness, the sesame, the soy, the ginger. It's so good. So this is it, our Korean-inspired grilled ribeye. And I actually plated it with a little bit of gochujang sauce and some green onions and then some flaky salt. It smells so incredible just having it this close to my face. Obviously, I've already had a few bites. My wife's already asking for it. So I gotta run, but I hope you try the recipe. Let me know what you think, and then stick around for the next recipe, which is kimchi potato salad. Thanks for joining in. If you like what you saw, hit subscribe below. Come back for kimchi potato salad. And cheers.